back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Shannise. If you're an oldie but a goodie, what's good, what's popping? So today I'm going to be doing a product review of Cantu's new avocado hydrating line. So if you're interested in finding out my view of the product, keep on watching. So I have been the biggest fan of Cantu for the longest time, for as long as I can remember. I remember I started using their product from 2016, 2017 when they first came into South Africa, and at that time they were being sold by Dischem. So now you can actually find it at Dischem, Clicks, quite a number of stores. So when I found out that they were bringing in their avocado hydrating line, I was so super excited, super ecstatic, because I've heard such great reviews of the product, and I thought, hey, it would be really nice to try it on my hair and have my own personal take of the product. So the only sad part is that they did not bring the entire line into South Africa. I'm talking about your shampoo, your rinse out conditioner, and all of that. The line is quite limited, so I grabbed the products that I thought would be perfect for my hair, products that I know that I'll use in my day-to-day hair care routine. So the first product that I grabbed was their styling gel. So this styling gel is said to be perfect for wash and goes. I haven't personally tried this one, but I'm looking forward to trying it. And the next product that I grabbed was their leave-in repair cream, as well as their Cantu curling cream. So today's review will be based on their curling cream and leave-in conditioner, because those are the products that I've actually tried, products that I can actually tell you the honest truth about. Okay, so first up is their Cantu Hydrating Repair leave-in. It is said to have olive oil, aloe, and shea butter. It claims to mend, condition, dry brittle hair. Guys, this product is the bomb.com. It is the bomb diggity bomb. Cantu came through with this product. I have no words. Like, I'm so super speechless. It is so moisturizing. The way my hair just took it in like nobody's business, because I remember the first wash day when I used this product, I was so shocked on how my hair felt just after applying it. It does not leave any white residue. It just disappears, it just melts on the hair. The consistency is amazing. It has super a great slip. I have nothing bad to say about this product. I would totally recommend it. My rating, I'd give it an 8 out of 10. You're probably wondering, why am I giving it an 8 out of 10? It is because Cantu's other lines have big tubs for their leave-ins, but for this one they decided to give us a small tub. But other than that, despite the packaging, I'm so super happy. I'll totally recommend it. So next up is their hydrating curling cream. It is said to have shea butter, mango butter, and coconut oil. They claim that it moisturizes and defines, and I approve of that statement. It is actually the product that I use to achieve this twist out. My curls actually came out pretty defined. I hope you guys can see. I'm so super happy with the product. It does actually moisturize. Can I tell you guys that I applied the leave-in and the curling cream when I washed my hair. So on my wash day, that's when I applied the products. I didn't have to reapply the products throughout the week. So I just applied the leave-in, I applied the curling cream, I sealed in with my oil, and I twisted my hair. And every single day in the morning and before I went to bed, all I did was just spritz my hair with my DIY aloe vera hair spritz. I didn't have to reapply the product. So when I undid my twists, my hair felt moisturized. I was so super happy that it kept my hair moisturized throughout the week. It did not dry out my hair. I approve of this line. I totally approve. And my rating for the curling cream would be a 9 out of 10. I'm just gonna keep the one just for control. So yeah, those are the products that I picked up from the line. They do have a curl activator, but I didn't pick that one up because I already have the curling cream and I feel like they do almost the same thing. Well, that is my own personal opinion. So overall, my overall rating would be an 8 out of 10. You're probably wondering why an 8 out of 10. It is because of the scent. It smells like avocados, actual avocados, and I'm not a fan of avocados. If you are, don't come for me. It is just how I feel about it. But other than that, the product line is great. It is amazing. Cantu came through. Cantu can do. Okay. Did you get what I did there? So we have come to the end of our video. If you guys enjoyed it, you know what to do. Give it a big thumbs up, and also comment right down below if you've already tried the line or if you've tried any of Cantu's products, or just comment right down below on what natural hair products you're currently using on your hair. Other than that, it is a bye from me, and see you next time in my next video. Bye.